Good morning, student. In the last classes, we are seeing the chapter hyperbola, under which we have seen the concept of hyperbola. We have seen that the two cases, okay, and the formula related with this. Now today we will see some questions based on these two cases, okay. So first question is, student, so that the equation 9x square minus 16y, 9x square minus 16y square minus 18x x plus 32y minus 151 is equal to 0. Okay, student. So this is our question. We have to show that this is the equation of hyperbola. Okay, student. And question says that find the coordinate of center, length of axis, eccentricity, lattice rectum, coordinate of foci, vertices. Okay. So these are the things which we have to find from the given information. Okay, students. Now first of all, we change this in the standard form. So for this we write 9x square minus 18x and minus 16y square plus 32y minus 151 is equal to 0. Okay, students. So here we are seeing 9 is common. So we can write 9 into 2x and minus 16 is common. So this is y square minus 2y, this is 151. Okay, students. Now, student, we can write here x square minus 2x and here plus 1. Okay, so when we multiply, we will write in the right hand side also plus 9. Okay, now minus 16 and here y square minus 2y plus 1 here also. So when we multiply, we get minus 16. So we write here minus 16 also. Now, student, this is 9 x minus 1 whole square and minus 16 y minus 1 whole square. Okay, student, this we can write. And in the right hand side, student, this is 160 and minus this will be 144. So, student, this is 9 x minus 1 whole square by 144 minus 16 y minus 1 whole square by 144. This is 144 by 144. Okay, students. Now, when we divide this is x minus 1 whole square by 16 and y minus 1 whole square by 9, which is equal to 1. Okay, student. So this is our equation, student, which is x minus 1 whole square by 16 minus y minus 1 whole square by 9 is equal to 1. Okay, students. Now, so students, when we are taking this is capital X square by 16, capital Y square by 9, this is 1. So this is the equation of hyperbola. Okay, students. So this is the standard equation of hyperbola. So from this equation, students, we can find our vertex, center, foci, directrix, lattice rectum. Okay. So, student, first of all, our center. So you know the center, coordinate of center is 0, 0, student. So x is 0 and y is 0, student. So from here we can get, if we are putting x minus 1 is 0 this implies x is 1 and here y minus 1 is 0. So student, y is 1. So our center is 1 comma 1. Okay students, so we are getting from here our center is 1 comma 1. Okay students, now our transverse axis student, we are seeing that this is our first case. So length half okay students, so length half conjugate axis is 2b and our b is 3. So this is equal to 6. Okay friends. Now we will find our eccentricity, which is b square is a square minus 1. So b square is student, b square is 9 and a square is 16. This is a square minus 1. So e square is 9 by 16 plus 1. So e is equal to 5 by 4. Okay students, so our eccentricity is plus minus 5 by 4. Now we find focus. So our foci is, this is plus minus a comma 0, where x is plus minus a and y is equal to 0. Okay, so our x is x minus 1 and plus minus a. So taking positive sign, our a is 4 and e is 5 by 4. So it will be plus 5 and x is equal to 6 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1. So our focus is 6 comma 1, and if we are taking negative sign, our x minus 1 is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 1. So our focus is 6 1 and minus 4 comma 1. Okay students, and our vertex will be plus minus a comma 0. So plus minus a, which is 4 and comma 0. So our x is plus 4, which is x minus 1 is 4. So x is 5 and y is equal to 0. So y is y minus 1. So y is 1. So this is 5 1 is our vertex. And when we are taking negative sign, this is x is minus 4 and y is 0. So x is x minus 1, which is equal to minus 4. Okay students, and x is equal to minus 3 and y minus 1 is 0. So y is equal to 1. So vertex is 5 1 and minus 3 comma 1. Okay students. Now student, we have to find the equation of directrix. So our directrix is x is equal to plus minus a by e student. Okay, so capital X is x minus 1 and plus minus a is 4 and eccentricity is 5 by 4 students. So this is 16 by 5 plus minus. So taking positive sign, So x is 16 by 5 plus 1. So it will be 5 plus 16, 21 by 5. When we are taking negative sign, our x is equal to minus 16 by 5 minus 16 by 5 plus 1. So x is minus 16 plus 5 minus 11 by 5. Okay students, so this is our one vertex directrix, and x is equal to 21 by 5 is another directrix. Okay students, and our lattice rectum will be 2b square by a. Okay students, so our lattice rectum will be our 2b square by a, and our now student, our lattice rectum is 2b square by a, and b square is 9 and a is 4, so this is 9 by 2. Okay students, so in this way we can find out the following from the given information. Okay students, so this is a question in which we have to first find out, we have to first prove that this is the standard form of hyperbola. Okay students, this is, we have to prove that this given equation is the equation of the hyperbola. Okay, so first of all student, we will change this standard equation in the form of hyperbola. Okay, so for this student, we will make this, we will take 9x square minus 18x minus 16y square plus 32y minus 151 is equal to 0. Okay students, now we are seeing here from here student that this is here 9 is common, so we can write x square minus 2x. We are seeing again 16 is common in these two terms, so we can write y square minus 20y, and minus 51 we are sending to the right hand side. Okay students, now we are seeing that student, we are going to make it complete square. So for this student, we will write x minus 1 whole square minus 16, here y minus 1 whole square, this is equal to, and when we are adding plus 1 here, so we will add 9 to the right hand side. When we are subtracting minus 16 here, we will subtract minus 16 to the right hand side. And student, we are seeing that 9 x minus 1 whole square by 154 minus 16 y minus 1 whole square by 154 is equal to 144. Okay, it means that we are dividing in this equation with 144 for making to the right hand side 1. Okay, now we are seeing that this is our, this term was, and this term is 9 and this term is 16. So this is x minus 1 whole square by 16, and this is y minus 1 whole square by 9, and this is equal to 1. Okay students, now we can write this x square by 16, y square by 9, which is equal to 1. Okay students, this is the equation of our hyperbola. Okay students, this is the equation of hyperbola. And you know the hyperbola is in standard form is x square by a square plus y minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this is our standard equation of hyperbola. So students, we are taking center. So this is the first part which we have proved that. Now we have to find the center, length of transverse axis, length of conjugate axis, what is its eccentricity, what is its focus, and what is its vertex and directrix and lattice rectum. So these are the things which we have to find out from this information. Okay, now student, with the help of this standard equation, where our capital X is x minus 1, capital Y is y minus 1, we will find out these all. Okay, So first we are going to find our center, and you know the coordinate of center is, in this case, this is first case when the conjugate transverse axis is our x-axis. Okay. In this case, student, our center is 0, 0, which is our capital. It means that our capital X is 0, capital Y is 0. So, student, our x minus 1 is equal to 0 implies our x is equal to 1, y minus 1 is 0, our y is equal to 1. It means that, student, our center is 1, 1. In this case, we can got that our center is our 1 and 1. Now, student, length of lattice transverse axis is 2a, student. So, you are seeing that when we are comparing this, we are getting our a square is 16 and b square is 9. So, a is 4 and b is 3. Okay. So, our x is 2a, so this is a, and length of conjugate axis, that is 2b. So 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay, students. Now, from the help of b square is equal to a square minus 1, student, we can find our eccentricity after doing transpose to the left hand side. We can get our eccentricity, which is plus minus 5 by 4. Okay, students. Now, our focus is, you know, the formula of focus is plus minus a comma 0, student. And where x is capital, x is plus minus a and y is 0. So x is x minus 1, which is plus 5, and y is y minus 1 is 0. So x is equal to 6, y is 1. So x is, so coordinate of focus is 6, 1. When we are taking negative sign, students, we are getting x is minus 4 and y is 1. So minus 4, 1, 6, 1 is our foci. Okay. Now, student, our vertex is, you know, formula plus minus a comma 0. So plus minus a is 4, 0. So x is positive 4 and y is 0. So x is 5 and y is 1. So first vertex is 5, 1. And second, student, x is minus 4, y is equal to 0. So x is minus 3, y is 1. So next coordinate is minus 3, 1. Okay. Now, student, we are seeing that our equation of directrix, which is x is equal to plus minus a by e in this case. So x is x minus 1 and plus minus a by e. So 4 by a by e, which is 5 by 4. Okay, students. Now here capital X is x minus 1. When we are taking positive sign, we are getting 21 by 5, and negative sign, we are getting minus 11 by 5. So these are the equations of its directrix. Okay, and now we have to find the length of lattice rectum. So in this case, student, our length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a, which is 2 into 9 by 4. So when we cancel it, we get 9 by 2. So in this way, student, we can get the following information from the help of a standard equation and the help of formulas. Okay. Now we take another question, students. Let's see. Our next question is, student, the foci of a hyperbola coincide with the foci of an ellipse. X square by 25 and plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Okay, student, the foci of a hyperbola coincide with the foci of the ellipse. Okay. Find the equation of the hyperbola whose eccentricity is 1 by 2. Okay, student, so question says that we have to find the equation of hyperbola. Okay. Now student, our x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is 1. This is the equation of our ellipse. So a square is 25 and b square is 9. Okay student, so eccentricity b square is a square 1 minus e square. So this is 9 by 25 and 1 minus e square. So e square is 1 minus 9 by 25. So e is plus minus 4 by 5 student. So the eccentricity student from here we are getting 4 by 5. So our foci is plus minus a comma 0. So this is plus minus a, which is 5 and 4 by 5 comma 0. So plus minus 4 comma 0. Okay student, and question says that foci of ellipse coincide with foci of hyperbola. Okay student, so the foci of a hyperbola is plus minus 4 comma 0. Okay student, so focus is plus minus 4 comma 0 and our eccentricity of hyperbola is 1 by 2 student. So we can write a dash e dash is equal to 4. Okay, so a dash e dash is equal to 4. So eccentricity is 1 by 2. So a dash is equal to student 8. Okay, student, we have to given the eccentricity of hyperbola is 2. So here it will be 2 and it will be 2. So a dash is 2 student. So we can find our b square is a square 1 minus e square, where a dash, b dash and a dash are the terms of hyperbola. Okay, so b dash square is equal to a dash square, which is 4, and this is e dash square minus 1 because we are solving for hyperbola. So our e dash is 4 minus 1. So this is b dash square is 12. So our equation of hyperbola will be x square by a dash square, which is 4, and y square by b dash square, which is 12, and this is equal to 1. So this is equation of hyperbola, which is we have to find out. Okay student, so in this question student we have to given that the foci of the hyperbola coincide with the foci of ellipse. Find the equation of hyperbola if its eccentricity is 2. Okay student, so we have to given its eccentricity of the hyperbola and we have to find the equation of hyperbola. Question says that focus is 2. So this is plus minus a comma 0. So 5 into 4 by 5, which is 0. So focus is plus minus 4 comma 0. Okay student, so foci of ellipse is coincide with foci of hyperbola. So student, it will be plus minus 4 comma 0. So student, a dash is equal to 4. So a dash comma 2 is equal to 4. So a dash is 2 student. Now student, our b dash square is equal to a dash square, which is our 4, and a dash is 2. So we can get from here b dash square. Now our standard form of hyperbola will be x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1. I hope you understand. I hope you understand, students. Now we take another question. Let's see. Our next question is, find the equation of hyperbola whose foci is 8, 3, whose foci is 8, 3 and 0, 3, and eccentricity is, student, 4 by 3. Okay, students, so we have to find the equation of hyperbola. So, you know, student, the center is the midpoint of the focus. Okay, so we write the center of hyperbola is the midpoint of the focus of the foci, that is, coordinate of center is 8 plus 0 by 2, 3 plus 3 by 2, that is 4, 3. Okay, student, and distance between foci is 2a. Okay, student, so distance between foci is 2a, student, and this 2ae is equal to under root 8 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square. So this is, student, 64 and this is 8. So 2a is, student, 8. So a is equal to 4, and you know the coordinate of a is 4 by 3. So this is, so our a is, student, from here we have find out our a, which is equal to 3. Now with the help of b square is equal to a square minus 1, we can find out our a, our b, which is, okay, students, so b square is equal to, this is 9 into 7 by 9. So b square is, student, 7. Now, student, we have to find the equation of hyperbola. So, student, our equation of hyperbola is given by x square by a square and y square by b square, which is 7, is equal to 1. Okay, student. So, student, in this way, student, we have to given the center also. So center is 4, 3. So equation of hyperbola is x minus 4 whole square and y minus 3 whole square. Okay, so x minus 4 whole square by 9 minus y minus 3 whole square by 7 is equal to 1. Okay, students, so this will be the equation of hyperbola. If we are expanding this, we can get the result, which is 7x square and minus 9y square minus 56x plus 54y minus 32 is equal to 0. Okay, student, when we expand this equation, we can get, this is our required equation of hyperbola which we have to find out. Okay students, so question says that find the equation of hyperbola if the coordinate of foci are 8, 3 and 0, 3 and eccentricity is 5, 4 by 3. So students, you know that the center of the hyperbola is the midpoint of the two focus. So we have find out the center with the help of these 2 points, and which is 4, 3. Now student, distance between foci is 2a. We know that this is the formula, and here are the 2 coordinates of the focus is given. So we can use the distance formula. We can get 8 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square, which is 8. So student, a is 4. So a is, from here we are getting 3, and you know with the help of b square is equal to a square, e square minus 1, we can find out b square, which is 7, and the equation of hyperbola will be what? Center is given x minus 4 whole square by 9, y minus 3 whole square by 7, which is 1. When we expand this strength, we can get the standard result. Okay students, I hope you understand. Thank you so much.